In today's video, I'm going to show you how to align, order, and group objects in PowerPoint, plus how to insert and customize shapes the right way. If you've ever struggled with messy slides, uneven spacing, or objects that just won't line up properly, this tutorial will help you create clean, professional presentations in minutes. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any tips. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tutorials. Let's get started. First, open PowerPoint and go to the slide where you want to work. To align objects, you need to select them. Click on the first object, then hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click on the other objects you want to include. This allows you to select multiple items at the same time. Once your objects are selected, go to the Format tab at the top. Depending on what you selected, this may appear as Shape Format or Picture Format. Inside this tab, look for the Arrange group. Here, click on Align. You'll now see several alignment options, such as Align Left, Align Center, Align Right, Align Top, Align Middle, and Align Bottom. Choose the alignment option that fits your design. For example, if you want everything perfectly centered on the slide, click Align Center. If you want all objects lined up evenly along the left side, choose Align Left. PowerPoint will instantly reposition the selected objects so they line up perfectly. If the alignment doesn't look quite right, click Align again and try another option. You can also make sure that Align to Slide is selected if you want objects aligned relative to the entire slide rather than to each other. This small setting makes a big difference when designing structured layouts. Now let's talk about ordering objects. If you have overlapping elements, you can control which object appears in front or behind. With an object selected, go back to the Arrange group and use Bring Forward or Send Backward. This helps you layer elements properly, especially when working with images, shapes, and text boxes together. Next, let's group objects. Grouping allows you to combine multiple elements into one single unit, so they move and resize together. To do this, select all the objects you want to combine by holding Control and clicking each one. Then go to the Format tab, click Group in the Arrange group, and select Group from the drop-down menu. Now, when you move or resize one object, everything stays together. This is extremely useful when creating diagrams, icons, or custom layouts. If you ever need to edit individual elements again, simply click Group and choose Ungroup. Now let's insert a new shape. Go to the Insert tab at the top of PowerPoint. Click on Shapes and you'll see a large library of options, including rectangles, circles, arrows, lines, callouts, and more. Choose the shape you want to use. After selecting the shape, move your cursor to the Smide workspace. Click and drag your mouse to draw the shape. Release the mouse button once you're happy with the size. You can always adjust the size later by clicking and dragging the corner handles. To reposition it, simply click and drag the shape to where you want it on the slide. You can then customize the shape using the Shape Format tab to change the fill color, outline, effects, or alignment just like we discussed earlier. And that's it. You now know how to align objects, arrange their order, group them together, and insert shapes in PowerPoint for cleaner and more professional slides. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.